Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. This is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video of the month. And for this month, we are doing Luna's Wavy Falls. A really beautiful pattern. Has this really nice repeating kind of diamond pattern going down the front. And overall, a very more substantial bracelet, definitely on the thicker side. But what's really interesting about this one is the pattern. The way it works out is it makes a very solid weave of a paracord bracelet, like nothing I've ever really tried out before. I mean, this thing can probably stop a knife, but definitely not what you should use your bracelets for anyhow. But yeah, this is what we're doing. And for those supporting on Patreon, you can follow the link in the description box to the tutorial. And yeah, for those that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel, and each month there is an exclusive paracord tutorial. And if you want access to that tutorial and many more, you can check out my Patreon page. Link is in the video as well as down below. And as always, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters for helping out this channel so much with your constant support on Patreon. It's making a world of difference, as I always say. So thank you so much for that. And for the Patreon supporters, I will see you on the other side. Everyone else, see you in the next video.